Everyone was looking for a safe haven this week, but they found a liquidation trap instead. While the headlines focus on the Middle East, the real story is the US dollar. It is roaring to new highs, and in its path, it is steamrolling the very assets that were supposed to protect us. Today, we're talking about the massive headwinds hitting silver, the breakdown in Solana, and how my strategy is shifting to survive this sell-everything tape. Silver's volatility, the $90 dream versus the $80 reality. Let's talk about the absolute carnage in silver. Just 24 hours ago, we were eyeing a breakout toward $100 as geopolitical tensions spiked. But look at the tape today. Silver hasn't just retreated, it has collapsed, crashing through the $90 floor and fighting to hold the $83.70 zone. The headwinds here are twofold. First, the US dollar surge is making all commodities more expensive to hold, triggering massive margin calls. Second, the industrial tailwind for AI chips is being offset by fears of a global slowdown. Silver is currently the highest beta asset in the world, and today, that beta is working against us. We are looking for the absolute bottom here, but we are not there yet. Tech headwinds, NVIDIA and Micron's reality check. The pressure isn't just in metals. NVIDIA is officially underwater on its psychological support, trading near $180. The headwind here isn't just the macro, it's a valuation reset. Even with the recent $4 billion pivot into optical networking, investors are questioning if the AI infrastructure build-out is cooling. Micron, MU, is feeling it even worse, down nearly 8% today to $379. The memory trade was priced for perfection, and today's liquidity drain is showing us that no stock is an island. When the dollar rises this fast, institutions sell their winners first, and Micron has been a massive winner. Crypto cracks, Solana, and the altcoin headwinds. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, crypto. Bitcoin has failed its digital gold test this week. Instead of rallying with geopolitical fear, it's trading like a leveraged Nasdaq stock, falling to the $67,000 zone. But the real story is the headwinds in Solana, SOL. Despite leading in network activity, SOL was rejected again at the $90 supply wall and is currently trading near $84. The primary headwinds for Solana right now are network fatigue during high volatility liquidations and a Bitcoin season dominance that is sucking the air out of the altcoin room. My strategy, buying the best of breed. In a market like this, you have to be disciplined. My strategy is mostly to trade daily off the bottoms or buy the best of breed at below market prices when the market gives them to you. I'm not interested in chasing momentum here. I want to buy when everyone else is selling and wants to get out no matter what the cost. It's about following that classic Warren Buffett wisdom. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. I'm watching for that moment when NVIDIA or Micron hits a level so disconnected from their fundamentals that it's a gift. But remember, this is a pros market. If you are not a seasoned investor or trader, consult a financial advisor in this market and know your risk tolerance. You have to know how much heat you can take before you step into the kitchen. Conclusion and call to action. The 2026 market just reminded us that safe havens are only safe until the margin calls start. Are you staying patient for the bottom, or are you liquidating with the herd? Drop a patient or liquidating in the comments so I can see how you're playing this reversal. Subscribe to Smart Market Moves Official. We are tracking this liquidation minute by minute.